another video crasher. Today it's not Teddy Bear. This is Winifred. Winifred is my 7-year-old pain in the rear end cat. Winnie is a Norwegian forest cat, but she has the name of Winnie or Winifred, depending on how I feel that day, because sometimes she's Winnie the Pooh, and sometimes she's Winifred Sanderson, because she's a bad cat, and she likes to get into everything. I have had her for a number of years. She is kind of a larger little chunk butt. She has a bad attitude most of the time, but she wanted to say hi because she had to get into the video. I am going to pass her off to my faithful assistant, my son, so that she gets out of the video. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to get into the Fab Fit Fun. So I wanted to give you kind of a backstory on my Fab Fit Fun. I did get the starter box back in March from one of my Instagram followers. I did link her in my Fab Fit Fun review of that starter box, so go ahead and check her out. She's a great K-Beauty Instagram page. But I wanted to try this box. I had shied away from it in the past. A lot of celebs were like heavy duty promoting it, celeb wife too as well. And whenever I see like, you know, a big thing like the Cara vitamins and the Sugar Bear hair pills, and I kind of like want to stay away from it. It's not really my vibe. I like things that are more like new and upcoming. I like things that are very established. But I did eventually want to give this a try. So I was supposed to get the spring box because I got that starter box back in March. I got the notification they charged my account, like I want to say like the last couple of days of March, and I saw it was supposed to ship in April. So I did reach out to them and say, hey guys, I didn't get to choose any items, like what's up with that? So they let me choose my items, and they sent those separately to me, and I did get those, but I never got my spring box. So I did email them, and their customer service was nice enough to send me the summer box in lieu of the spring box that I did not get. I am currently not signed up for the fall box right now, and I'm kind of on the fence. But I did love this summer box. I didn't really love not getting my spring box. So that's where we stand with that. But I did want to go through everything I did get in the summer box and see if it's all worth it. But before I do that, I want to talk about a couple of things. One, if you guys haven't seen my reviews on these bracelets, these are from Rising Sun Oracle. I will put her handle down in the description box, and I have done a couple of reviews on my Instagram page, but her bracelets are absolutely life-changing, amazing. They're adorable. They are not expensive. She has a new Etsy shop, so I did want to talk about her. And I also wanted to talk about another lifestyle item that I absolutely love, and that's this. And this is the Sudsy Club box. This does come out bi-monthly. Fab Fit Fun is every 3 months or quarterly. This is every 2 months. It's $25. And I have been getting this box for a little over a year. And I just wanted to share this with you because it's something I have not found anywhere else, and I think it really deserves like a moment. So you get in these boxes, whoops, I have something in here that doesn't belong. So you get in these boxes 3 soaps and a like bath related item. It always comes with one of these little papers that tells you all about the bars that you did get in your box for that month, and of course the skincare item. So for this is a natural plant face pad. It is gentle on your face but provides the right amount of exfoliation. It'll help revitalize your skin. It is an exfoliating pad. These are great. I actually have one that goes over the soap bars as well that I got in a past box. And this would just be to exfoliate your face, but you can use it absolutely anywhere. So don't be afraid to use it on your legs or your arms or someplace else. It is an exfoliating thing, and we did get 3 bars this month, of course, like we always do. So the first one here, this is the Lemon Delight. And guys, this is like a lemon ice. It smells really, really good. The bars are just absolutely gorgeous, and they smell amazing. They can double as home fragrance, and I am addicted to them. This one is the Mountain Air. Oh, it smells so good. It smells amazing. So the third one that we got was this one. This is the Eucalyptus Lavender Silk. This does have their unique silk in it. It is a vegan silk, and it leaves your skin so amazing. Oh my God, it smells so good. So yeah, we got our 3 bars. They all kind of match. They look great. I always put these up in my bathroom. Like I said, they double as home fragrance. If you guys have not tried this and you're looking for some soap that will deal with almost every skin issue, completely vegan, cruelty-free, safe for the environment, the whole bit, made of natural everything, I highly recommend it. They always come with these little boxes on them as well that kind of sit around the box. And if you want to leave them up on like when I display them, sometimes I'll leave them on there as well because they look super cute. And they also do have each individual bar wrapped in this cute paper, and they've been doing that as well, so they stay completely sanitary. I do take them out because obviously I take pictures of them. But it's a great box. I cannot say enough about it. And if you guys have not tried Sudsy Club, it's something that I highly recommend that you guys give a look at. It's a great subscription box, so I wanted to plug that one as well and tell you about it. It's not sponsored, didn't get his PR, it's mine completely. All right, back to Fab Fit Fun. let's go through what I got this month. So in the choice items, the first thing that I did choose and I am the most excited about is this. This is the Yum Team wireless charging pad, and it does come, I already kind of took it out. It does come in this little case, and then it has the little pad and the charging cable. But guys, how cute is this for a wireless charger? Like, this is amazing to go on the nightstand. I was so excited about this. So this is the first item that I got, and I couldn't be happier about it. The second thing that we did get was from Makeup Drop, and it looks like it's just like a little hybrid beauty blender. It does kind of have that feel, and it's that little lavender color. So hey, we always need sponges, right guys? I'm totally about that. The next thing that we got was from Silk, and it's a satin pillowcase sleeve, and this is what it looks like. It's like a gray color, which I really like, and it's a sleeve because it actually sits over your pillow, so it goes, you know, it's open on both sides. It has the like terry cloth on one side and the satin on the other. This is supposed to be much better for your hair and your face. It's not as abrasive. So if you guys want to really take the skincare and the hair care to the next level, always slip this on before you go to bed. It'll keep your hair and everything else much better for you. Then we got this from Winky Lux. This is a brow product. You know, I'm not big on the brow, guys. I just tend to take mine and just, you know, put them back and, you know, mow them back, but I'm not really a huge brow person, and I just totally ripped the box because, well, I have trouble opening boxes, so I do it beforehand. Okay, so here's what it looks like, and on this side you have just one of those brow products that kind of come up, and it is in a triangle format, which that's actually kind of cool for this kind of product. And then on this side you do have your spoolie, and I am a sucker for a really good spoolie, so let's see if this one is decent. Yeah, this one's not bad. So I kind of like this for the spoolie itself, so I'm not unhappy about that. The packaging is beautiful, and it kind of shows you the before and afters on here, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so next we got from Spongili. We did used to get a couple of things from them in the past. They had like those little the flower-shaped body washes that were in like a little sponge already ready to go, and you just wet them and the stuff is already in it. This is a hand cream, and it's a coconut verbe, which has got shea butter and macadamia seed oil. This is speaking my language. Even though I'm not a huge fan of hand lotions, I do use it like on my legs and my arms. I do love this, and I love the scent of that. So I am happy with that. We got also here from Kate Somerville. This is another one of my choices, and this is a goat milk moisturizing cream. I didn't try and do a ton of skincare because I get so much of it in other boxes, but Kate Somerville is an amazing brand. I do remember that this is a little bit liquidy, so just beware of that. As you guys can see, it's kind of liquidy, so that's one thing I would kind of caution you on, but it is a really good moisturizer. It is made with goat milk, so it's kind of got that scent to it, but as far as moisturizers go, I could probably start a moisturizer store with all the ones that I have, but you know what? In the summer, I get, you know, when I need some moisture, this is not bad at all. It's also great to throw in like your beach bag, so totally love that. The next item was something else that I chose, and guys, I am super excited about. This is a Michael Kors wallet, and it is made for a passport, but you can totally just throw like a couple credit cards and some cash in here and just throw this in a bag. I have yet to ever want to spend the money on Michael Kors, so you know what? The fact that I got it in a subscription box, I am totally stoked about it, and I think this is really cute. I'm not really a huge fan of like this design, like YSLs and some of the other ones that do this kind of like, you know, very organized MK over and over and over again and kind of being dark. But you know what? I feel like I will use this because it's high-end, and because it's high-end, I'll use it. But I am happy about it, so I did like that as well. And then the last thing we got was like a little ceramic piece. It's a vase from Isaac Mizrahi. Kind of reminds me of Jurassic Park. And it's cute. I mean, it's not like, oh my God, you know, I couldn't live without it prior and now it has completed my life, but it's not bad. It's a cute little vase. I will find some home for it. So you know what? I'm okay with that. So overall, I'm not upset with what we got. I think it was actually a really good summer box. I liked that it was kind of diversified. We also did get a coupon for Green Chef for $90 off. I was going to actually try this. And then we got their little magazine. And I really like their magazine because it really goes through all the products, everything you could have gotten. And it's got some really fun stuff on it. So I suggest you guys do check these out. They did put a lot of effort into making them, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the entire box. So I love my Sudsy Club as always. I love my bracelets. But as far as Fab Fit Fun goes, I have to say this is really, really good. The box itself is absolutely adorable, so you can get a ton of use out of that. And, you know, we got our magazine, and we got some coupons. We got a little ceramic, which, guys, we always find a place to put those, right? And let's see, we also got the Michael Kors wallet, which, I mean, come on, it's Michael Kors. We got a cute hand cream or leg cream that's great for the beach or whenever you need that. We got the satin pillowcase. You know what? I don't know how much use I'll get out of this, but I am definitely going to try it. I do have satin sheets already, but I think it's fun. We got a beauty blender, like I said, which we always need those. We got some goat milk moisturizer, and we got a wireless charger. Does it get better than that? I don't think so. So you know what? I have to say, for as much crap as I've given Fab Fit Fun and how I've not wanted to cover it, and I've kind of been like, it's not bad. So I am happy with everything I got. If you guys want to give this a try, there's like a million codes out there for $10 off or a $5 starter box. You can send me a message on lifestyle.ella. I do get some free boxes to send and some codes once in a while, so if you want to get one, just go ahead and send it to me. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and like it. If you didn't like it, go ahead and dislike it. Comment down below what was your favorite thing in the box. Do you get Fab Fit Fun? Just let me know how your day is. Let's get a conversation going. And that way YouTube says, hey, she's not horrid. Let's tell her other people about her. So again, I'm Ella, guys. Check me out on my socials. Check me out in the next videos, and I'll see you soon.